In today's video, we're going to explore 3 of the best antivirus and cleaner apps for Android. If you're looking to enhance your device's security and optimize its performance, you've come to the right place. Stick with us as we dive into the features of each app to help you find the perfect solution for your needs. Aura Security Cleaner Antivirus. Aura Security Cleaner combines powerful antivirus protection with effective cleaning features to keep your device secure and running smoothly. This app scans for malware, viruses, and other threats, providing real-time protection against potential dangers. In addition to its security features, Aura Security Cleaner also offers optimization tools that help remove unnecessary files and cache, freeing up storage space and enhancing device performance. With its user-friendly interface and comprehensive security measures, Aura Security Cleaner is a great choice for users looking to safeguard their devices. VirusGuard Antivirus VE Cleaner. VirusGuard Antivirus VE Cleaner is a reliable app designed to provide comprehensive security for your Android device. It features real-time scanning for malware, spyware, and other malicious threats, ensuring your data remains safe. VirusGuard also includes cleaning tools that help identify and remove junk files, unwanted apps, and residual data, optimizing your device's performance. The app is easy to use and offers various security options, making it suitable for both novice and experienced users who want to ensure their devices are secure and efficient. ROC's PopUp Ad Virus Cleaner. ROC's PopUp Ad Virus Cleaner is specially designed to combat unwanted pop-up ads and viruses that can disrupt your mobile experience. This app effectively scans your device for adware and malware, helping to remove harmful applications that generate intrusive advertisements. Additionally, ROC's offers cleaning functionalities that can free up space by removing unnecessary files and boosting overall device performance. Its straightforward interface and focused features make it an essential tool for users who often deal with annoying ads and want to keep their devices optimized. Thanks for watching our video on the best antivirus and cleaner apps for Android. We hope these recommendations help you keep your device secure and running smoothly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more great content. See you next time.